And there it is. A way to build a mobile application or any application with no tech knowledge required. Builder.ai has a lot of promises. One of the things that they promise is you can just come in with no tech knowledge, use their platform to bring your application to life. It's basically a no-code solution for bringing your applications, software applications, be it web or mobile applications, to life. And how it works is you first speak to Natasha, their AI, and then Natasha comes back with some price estimates of how much this entire thing is going to cost, or your app, or how much your app is going to cost. Then from there, there's a team member that you hook up with to actually work with you on your application. And then the AI, this is the important part that I want to highlight. The AI at step 4 assembles your application like a Lego set. And then the features are customized by human specialists, and guess what? Your app is now ready to run. I wish it was that simple, right? So I have issues with no-code solutions, right? At least with Builder.ai, the nice thing is there is a human expert that comes in the loop. But building software is not that simple, eh? One of the interesting articles I came across is this one. Builder.ai is actually filing for bankruptcy, or has filed for bankruptcy. And I want to target this specific company for you for a specific reason. They are big. Builder.ai is huge. One of the reasons they are huge is how much money they've actually gotten. Is how much money they've gotten in investments. $450 million. That is 450 US million dollars. That's how much funding they've received to build their so-called no-code builder application. And after getting all of that, after receiving all of that funding, they couldn't crack it. They haven't cracked the no-code, service applications. No-code is difficult. It is extremely difficult. The one place that I've seen things that seem like they are no-code working is when you're actually offering templates. So instead of offering a solution that could be customized for a variety of applications, you actually offer templates. Like, for instance, if you look at something like Shopify is just templates for online stores. It's one thing. So that's easier to deal with than to say, hey, if you want to create the next Uber for catfish, we can create it using our application. Or you want to create the next Stripe, or you want to create the whatever application. It becomes difficult if you're going to offer everyone the ability to pretty much customize your system to build whatever it is that they can imagine. It's extremely difficult. And I like this article for especially this one line. There is so much more to building software than just code. Code is a part of it, but to get the thing to run, you need a whole lot more than the actual code. Assuming that the code runs, you still need to worry about the system architecture, the infrastructure, as in where is this thing going to be hosted? How are the servers going to be running? How is which database are we going to be picking? Is there going to be a reverse proxy that we're going to be using? How are we going to actually handle the domains? Are we going with subdomains or not? There's just too many questions that need to be answered for any application to be able to run. How are you going to do the caching? Right. So if you do not have the tech skills required to actually build a software system, and what always ends up is, and it happens to everyone, including myself, is that we worry too much about the code. And the only thing that once the code is done, that's it, we're done. Whereas the coding part is just part of all of the decisions that you need to worry about. And another thing that we fail to consider is that the more features that a software application has, the more complex it becomes. So software is more than just code. And after getting 450 million US dollars. Builder.ai is folding, and I think for me, this is actually a sign that the AI investment hype is really starting to show leaks. The first sign was with the emergence of DeepSeek, but that one was on the foundational model side. Now what's happening is it's now on the application side. So yeah, 450 million US dollars down the drain. I'm gonna link this. I'm gonna link this article somewhere below, so you can also have a look at it. But this is just to show, this just to show that the AI investment bubble might be popping. But I think there's still going to be more investment coming into AI. But investors are now going to start being more cautious, especially at the application layer. And yeah, those were just some of my thoughts with regards to Builder.ai. And I'll see you on the next video.